Hey guys, just a quick update. I've created a new list in our active campaign for this lead form here. So the one that you just did, Blake, version 4, I think it was. So at the moment, all these should be going now. I've tested that, that's working. And I've set up a pipeline as well. So anyone who comes into any leads that fill out that lead form should then land here in this pipeline. So they should land in the first step here, so they've filled out the lead form, and then the second stage of this pipeline is Jace, you need to follow them up with a call, and then third is proposal email sent out, fourth follow up with them after that email's gone out, verbal confirmation, and then submitted payment and to become a client. So I'm sure you've used pipelines before or something. You just move them along as they come through. So what's cool as well is I'll set up, I haven't done it just yet, but I will set up when we have the proposal email. I can set up templates in here, so when you move them onto that, we can just send out it can trigger to send out the proposal straight away, depending on if it's a 3K or a 5K offer, or if it's the 2K with the branding and the brand building offer that we're going to start doing. So we can set up, actually there'll be three. So there'll be the ecom, lead gen, and the brand building. So you can obviously just update the deal if it gets to this point, and then it should shoot out that email automatically. So that's how I've set it up right now. So I've just got to add in the automation for this step here, but everything else at the moment on the front end is working. The list is going in. I'm just going to set up an email now, just a quick, short confirmation email that will just say, thanks for your interest. Someone will be in contact in the next 24 hours. Let me know if you have any thoughts there or any feedback or any changes done, but yeah, that should be good to go now.